Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to get this makeup look created with the Colourpop Candyland collection, keep on watching. So I am repping my Selena Spooky Blue shirt merch. I'll leave her channel down below. I love this shirt. Before I start the eyeshadow look, I already prepped my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer and the Papaya Face Milk. I'm taking my Sephora makeup tape a few times. So today we are going to be working with the Colourpop Candyland eyeshadow palette. Now I already did a review on this collection. I'll leave a link down below. These were the colors. Last time I stuck more with the neutral side. I want to play with the purple today. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use this concealer. I'm just gonna blend it all over. Eyes and lips. It's really hot, so I opened the window. So if you hear noises, my apologies. I'm gonna blend King Candy all over the lid. I'm gonna take Sugar High, which is this white shimmer shade over there, and I'm going to apply it on my inner corner. Take Candyland, which is this pink shade, right over here, and put it halfway. So like I'll stop like right over here. 20. 1, 2. Dust in my crease. I go back in with the purple. And we're gonna go in to the outer half of the eye. And then I'm gonna bring it in a bit. So what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna use my fingers just because I find I get better color payoff when I use my fingers. I'm going to take, again, Candyland. This pink shade right over here, Candyland. The shade over here, apply it in my inner corner. This green shade called Rainbow Trail, and just go into my crease and blend it like that, just to add a bit of brightness. Sugar High, that nice Snow White color. I'm going to apply my foundation, my blush, highlighter, and I will be right back. I'm going to be using the Bye Bye Foundation SPF 50 Plus Coverage Foundation by IT Cosmetics. I would say this much. And then I'm just going to dab it all over the face, the nose, the forehead, and then the chin. Gotta cover up those mask knees. I don't think this is a foundation brush. It is an airbrush blender. So I don't know if it's for powder or blush, but we are going to use it for foundation brush. We're going to use it for blending foundation anyways, regardless. So let's go. Now I don't know if this is making me orange, but I need to invest in a ring light because the ring light I have is way too bright and burns my eye. I'm not going to use that. It's just natural lighting that I have. We're going to go in with the Body Shop Face Foundation Powder in Japanese Maple. Around the whole face. We're going to do just quick circular motions. Doesn't have to be perfect. Item, Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer and Deep Brunette. So this is what it looks like. Definer, you have the brow definer on one side, and then on the other side you have your blending brush. Just comb it out. Now if you know me, you know I never give reviews on first use mascaras. I always use it once and then I use it a second time, just because I find when you open a brand new mascara, most of the time it does look clumpy because you are opening a brand new tube. So I've used this before. This is just with one coat. This is with no mascara. I'm really impressed with this mascara. Just to give my lips a little bit of color, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Candyland Lip Balm Tint. Pull up my handy dandy glasses. This is in the shade Let's Chill. Now I've used this before and I really like it. And I think it gives a really great color payoff. If you do want something more pigmented, I would say apply a lip liner underneath, but honestly, the color it gives you, I have no complaints. We're going to go in with a little bit of Gumdrop Pass. And like I said in my previous video, I really like the look you get when you do use your fingers. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. If you don't remember, this is what I showed you guys last time. This is what Gumdrop Pass looks like. It's my favorite out of the three. And I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. I'm gonna go back in with a brush, but I'm actually gonna go in with the Shayna B brush. And I'm gonna take it on the brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna go in with the Queen Frosting highlighter we used in the previous Colourpop video. Got some product onto the lid. I'm gonna dust it on. This one is the Suva Beauty brush. Just tap off so swirl. Tap off any excess. And just go on the cheeks. Roll it again. Other cheek. Let's go on the tip of the nose. Cupid's bow. Pop it in my inner corner and blend. So I'm really happy with how the look turned out. I am obsessed with this palette. I love the powder. I love how you can use it on the face, on the body. It gives you a nice champagne look. I never tried the face milks until today. I love how they're not too thick. They blend right into the skin. Super nice. I love how these are giving me festive vibes. Thank you all for watching and I hope you have a great day. Stay blessed.